everyone, welcome to Vasol Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. One important thing, guys, this is the reading for the zodiac sign Scorpios, for the situation, what you are feeling, what you are going through currently, okay, and what you are feeling, okay. The second most important thing, guys, is that if you want to support my channel with the help of donation, the details of the donation is given in the description box below. The third most important thing, guys, is that if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. And oh my god, okay. And yeah, if you want to join my tarot learning 10 days workshop and 15 days numerology workshop along with the certification course, the details will be given in the description box below, okay. So yeah, guys, so what you're going through, Scorpios, let's check it out. What's going on? We'll be using clarification afterwards, okay. It might be related to career, it might be related to relationship, or it can be both as well, okay. So take whichever part resonates with you and leave the rest, and check out the other YouTubers, guys, okay. So oh my god, okay, so I've got two cards, so I'll be taking both of it. I'll just use another clarifier for the same. My god, how many cards I'm getting? I don't understand. How is your energy today? I'm getting two cards for every single thing, and I really just need one card, universe. Just need one card. Okay. So let's check out what's going on. It might be related to relationship, it might be related to career, okay. Take whichever part resonates with you and leave the rest. Okay. In the past, there was a lot of sneaky energy. There was dishonesty, deception, lies, strife, jealousy, competition, and you cutted off someone in the past by walking away from that person, okay. You walked away from person in the past, and right now you are indecisive whether you want this person to whether you want to be with this person or not. But yeah, you are at the crossroads right now. You are thinking about the past situation, about that past connection, about that past person, okay. So yeah, there's some sort of third party energy I am getting, okay. So if there was any parents involved into a connection, okay, those were creating a problem into this connection, okay. And that's why this cycle couldn't complete it. The you two being together didn't complete the way you wanted, okay. And that's why a karmic cycle is playing its role right now, okay. You have a lot of stuck up energy when it comes to this connection. In the past, you really wanted to give it all to that person, okay. And right now you are at a point where if someone is offering a cup of love to you, you will be like that you are not interested into this connection anymore. You will be taking your time to and contemplating whether you want this connection or not, okay. You are juggling between two choices, two connections, two decisions. There's someone who wants to come towards you with an offer of love, but at the same time you are juggling between two choices, two connections, two directions, two decisions, whether you want to stay or you want to move forward with this connection, okay, or you want to move away also. So yeah, you are juggling between two choices, two directions at the same time. there's some karmic justice. If you two were into a separation for long term, that was a spiritual connection, so this was a twin flame connection. So if you were already into a separation, if you were married and separated, if you were into relationship but separated, then you will be reconciling, reuniting together, okay. But if you were dealing with any karmic soulmate, okay, then the karmic cycle, the ending, the relationships, the abusive relationships, the problems of inner karmic relationships are ending with the justice card, okay. And few of the scorpions might be dealing with a divorce as well, okay, some legal issues, court cases and all, okay. So yeah, only few of them, okay, not all. So different kinds of energies are there, 3 different kinds of energies I'm picking up, okay. You are gaining a lot of clarity when it comes to a particular situation, particular connection. Yeah, you cut it off in the past someone, and you are no more thinking about it. Like you are just, you are at a point where you don't want to deal with that person anymore. You feel like, I'm not really interested, okay. You cut it off in the past someone, okay. The communication part, you were either into a no communication thing, or you were into a less communication thing. You were into either no communication, no, or less communication, okay. But at the same time, you feel a lot of you have a lot of emotions for that person internally, though you don't show to that person, but you really love that person, you are emotionally connected to that person, okay. I think a lot of problems are going on into your married life. Long term commitment issues are there right now, okay. Long term issues are there, like it might be a marriage involved into this connection, and a lot of issues are going on into your married life, or else a relationship, okay, which was for a long time, okay. So yeah, okay. So yeah, you're trying to remove the obstacles which is coming on to your way, and you are just focusing on to your finances, okay. You just want to build your finances, okay. You are no more concentrating on this connection right now, because you, like, within your heart you have a lot of love, you have a lot of emotions for that person, but you don't show it outside, okay. That's the thing. You are working hard towards yourself, okay. You are working hard on your money related issues, okay. At the same time, you are really stuck up with this situation, like you are at a crossroads, whether you want to move forward with this person, or you want to move forward alone, okay. You are focusing on to your finances, you are focusing on to your pentacles, your money related stuff, you are regaining your power back. The problem is that you don't want to move forward and show an offer of love to that person, okay. Like you don't want to be the you don't want to take the initiative, okay. So yeah, 1 minute guys, sorry. So yeah, you are going through some major endings of toxic situation, toxic cycle, karmic cycle, karmic situations. Ending of a relationship might happen as well, if you are dealing with karmic partner, though only then. Otherwise, if you are in a normal soulmate and a twin flame connection, then there is no separation part or no ending into a relationship, okay. That is what I'm clarifying. You want to shine bright, guys, okay. You want to move forward, you want to shine bright, but you are feeling blocked at the same time with this situation, okay. You feel that nothing is happening, but yeah, major shakeup is about to happen into your life, major shakeup is about to happen into your life, okay. Now and once that shakeup happens, that means demolishing of a bad cycle, bad situation, toxic cycle, okay. And new beginnings of a new tower, rebuilding your connection, rebuilding your financial life, okay. So yeah, this tarot moment is about to happen into your life, which will shake you up for sure. You will your life will turn 360 degree round, okay. you're sad, depressed, and thinking about past a lot, but you're not seeing the two cups which is in front of you. Okay, you are just thinking about the past and feeling sad, depressed, but there's lot more coming up into the horizon in the upcoming weeks for you. Okay, you're being patient enough, you're going through some major transformation, major healing, understanding a situation, understanding about like what's going on and how it is supposed to go. Okay, you just want to move forward. Okay, you feel like you don't want to deal with this shit anymore and you want to move forward. You don't want that the past should come back. Okay, even if they are coming back with an offer of love, you'll be like, you will take your time to think and channelize the situation and think about the facts and figures whether you want to move ahead with this connection or not. So yeah. Weird energies, guys. Okay, kindly comment down below with how many people of you this thing resonated. Okay, because I'm getting a lot of weird energies while doing this reading. Okay, yeah. So yeah, the second one. A major transformation is happening into your love life. Okay, I don't know it's what. If two people are into separation, you guys will be reconciling. If you are into a relationship, were not going on good, then things will be better. If you are dealing with your karmic partner, karmic connection which is abusive and you are not happy into that connection, you just want to leave that connection and you want to move forward, so you will do that. Okay, so yeah, a lot of 3 different energies I'm picking up. Okay, so yeah. Okay. Okay, so I'm taking all these cards. Okay, your love life is very bad right now. Okay, the situation is very bad which is going on into your love life or married life is not really working out. Okay, there's a lot of issues going on when it comes to lack of trust, lack of commitment, misunderstandings and all. Everything is going on into your love life. You are going through some major transformation. Okay, major shift, major changes are about to happen into your life. You are getting that feeling from inside. If you are focusing, that's good. If you are observing, that's good. And if you are not observing, then you should. Okay, there is lack of stability. Okay, into your home life. Your home life situation, home life structure is very upside down right now. Lot of guidance you need into your life. Okay, you want to move forward with lot of guidance, and I think universe is interfering into this life, into this situation for you. Okay, if you were not thinking to that you want to involve into this connection, but you did and now you are regretting, so somewhere you feel regretted also at times that why all this is happening with you and you are not understanding a situation right now. Lot of new visions are coming, like you might be getting universal dreams also, universal numbers 111, 222, 444, 777, 999, and you might be getting a lot of new visions, new dreams and new ideas into your life if you want to move forward. Okay, someone has to compromise, either you or your partner, if you are into separation and if you want things to work out. If it's a twin flame connection or a normal soulmate connection, either of the one person will definitely compromise. Okay, in the upcoming weeks, if they haven't already. So yeah, a lot of compromise is about to happen into both of you. Like you two have to compromise for getting better into this situation. Okay, and success is all about long-term commitment. Okay, so yeah. So these are the cards, guys, which I have bought, and the details will be given. This is your archangel name for this month, and which kind of gemstones you should wear for your better day-to-day life. Okay, so I'm using it for the first time. Okay, so yeah. This I will take. This I will take as this. That was the first one to flip out. Your guardian angel name, Archangel Raphael. Archangel Raphael deals with healing. It helps us to heal yourself as well as others. Okay, so a few of you might be into healing, people, Reiki, and working with tarot cards, astrology, and horoscope. Okay, so you might be dealing with healing thing, or you might be reading out kundli, and or you might be giving some healing remedies to the people. Okay, so Archangel Raphael is your guardian for this month, angel guardian. Okay, the message from him to you is, I tap into the one minute. I tap into the innate healing abilities within in order to realign my emotional, spiritual, and physical bodies. Nature brings me balance. I enjoy and observe the positive green vibrations of plants, herbs, and essential oils. I remain focused even when the world around me is changing, and you feel that, and that's good. The gemstone which you should wear is that green calcite. Green, GREEN, calcite, CALCITE. Okay, search on Google. It looks like this. This is your gemstone for this month. Okay, for the improvement. Now, the message from your guardian angel, Archangel Raphael, to you. Are you having a change of heart? Do you find that you are having a hard time changing the way you look at love and friendship? The only constant in life is change. Whatever changes you are going through, his messages, the only constant in life is change. Take the time to adjust and nurture yourself. As change takes place, honor and accept change. So Archangel Raphael is trying to tell you that change is going on. You are going through some major transformation, major shifts. Weird energies are changing. Major perspectives are about to change. So focus on yourself. Self-love and self-care should be your utmost priority right now. Okay, and if you do it, you will automatically align to the higher self of yours, and you will automatically understand the situations, what's going on around you and within you. Okay, and you have a lot of answers within yourself, so focus on that. Okay guys, so yeah, I hope this works for you. Okay, I hope this resonated with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. But yeah guys, can you help us to cross 1000 subscribers? Thank you so much guys. Bye bye.